Good morning, this is day 2 of Georgia, Tbilisi. And now mag-tour for Gudauri and Kazbegi. Yung mga tao dito sa Tbilisi, mga certified plantitas. Look, may ubas dito. The other auntie, ganyan yung bahay niya. May mga rose. Roses are red. Good morning. Ayan yung mga bahay-bahay. Mukhang lulumain. Sobrang liit ng alleyway dito papunta. Kaya hanapin namin si Kuya Driver. Hello, good morning. Take care, bye. Good morning from the land of... Charot.
Good morning, Georgia.
Good morning to Bye. How are you, Bye John?
We're the beautiful people.
2 minutes wait, then you'll see good
everywhere.
Huh?
No, it's...
Sorry, huh? You've been here waiting for how long? Huh?
Wait 2 minutes.
Okay.
He's concentrating on going back.
Okay. I'm really sorry for the trouble and for the inconvenience that I'm bringing to you this morning. Sorry. What's your name, Baya?
Mera?
What's your name?
Hamad.
Hamad? Ayan, so eto yung start ng tour namin from Tbilisi. Mga alas 10 ng umaga kami pinick up ni Kuya Driver. So medyo maulan pa niyan, but we're all ready to conquer Gudauri. Super kampante ako actually dito sa tour na to kasi 4 kami na magtutour and nagkakaintindihan, as you can see, yung kaibigan naming Indian and yung driver namin because they speak the same language. And yung driver namin is a friend of a friend ng friend ko. Ano daw, parang magulo. Pero in short, parang ni-refer siya sa amin. So, we're also very comfortable dealing with him and klaro yung itinerary namin for today's video.
In summer, Gudauri and all not too much. But in winter, Gudauri is too good for tourists. We'll start a new business, no?
Yes.
Biryani and momos.
Yes. I really love it. And chicken curry. Yung actual na travel time from Tbilisi to Gudauri would take about 2 to 3 hours. Pero we don't mind at all kasi napakaganda. Super scenic yung scenery na makikita mo going up to Gudauri. Tingnan nyo. Quick stop to refill the gas. Pero I think we're almost here at the top of Gudauri. Kaya ko naman. Hindi naman ako nilalamig ng bonggang-bonggang, todong-todo.
12 seconds later.
How much for jacket? Huh? The jacket. 120 lang. 120?
One discount? How much bonnet?
Huh?
Maganda naman, Dai.
Ayun, so nilamig ako, napabili tuloy ng jacket. Anyway, back on the road, as far as I can remember, mga 10 minutes from dun sa pinagpagasan namin, yung Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, na napakaganda talaga ng location. Nasa dulo siya ng bangin, kaya konting kembot na maling hakbang, sa baba ka pupulutin. Char. Char lang. Super safe naman dumalaw dito kasi may mga handrails and concrete yung walkway. This is the mountain. Still covered by snow. Buti na lang ganitong season kami pumunta kasi wala masyadong tao sa taas. And ahead of time, taking pictures and videos. Na parang ako lang talaga yung tourist. Although, yung mga dumarating, paonte-onte, mga nakasakay sa tourist bus. So yun yung isa pang advantage of traveling privately, yung kayo-kayo lang. You can spend more time and some of the tourist attraction na gusto nyong mag-spend pa ng time. Pag kulang pa, hindi tulad nung kasama kayo sa grupo, hindi nyo masunod yung gusto nyong timing, and kapag bulto-bulto dumarating yung mga turista, so parang hindi mo masosolo yung place pag sobrang daming tao. Okay ah.
Kabayan po.
Hi, hello,
How are
mga
you?
vloggers. How are you? Welcome. This is Godauri. This is the topmost part of Godauri. It's very cold.
It's very
2
cold.
degrees Celsius.
Very beautiful.
This is my friend.
Hello guys, welcome to his YouTube channel.
Ayan. Ay, hanapin ko muna sila ay kasi ang lamig-lamig na. Yung kuko ko naninigas na. Happy naman ako. My time here was awesome. Look at this cute puppy. How are you? Eh, nag-shine na siya nung hahawakan na. So after naming madalaw yung Russia-Georgia Friendship Monument, pababa na kami. Hindi ko napansin na pababa kami kasi hindi ko talaga nakakausap yung driver. Usually yung driver yung kausap is yung Indian friend namin na kasama dito. So wala akong kamalay-malay, pababa na pala kami hanggang sa mag-stop over kami to get food kasi medyo gutom na kami. For today, we'll be getting food from this place called Baghdad Restaurant. So Asian cuisine.
Guys, katami, chicken.
So update, hindi kami kumain dun sa Baghdad restaurant because I think the food are very expensive. Ganun naman talaga sa mga stopover. Expensive yung mga kainan. And parang hindi ko rin may enjoy yung food. So dito na lang kami sa downtown Tbilisi, naghanap ng restaurant. Good thing, yung driver namin, may-ari siya ng restaurant din. So, while we were on the way, nag-order na kami para ready na siya. Ready na yung food pagdating namin. Alam ko marami talagang restaurant dito sa Tbilisi na parang bahay. Ay, ito pala. Mukhang bahay nga. Amoy ko na yung curry. Ay. Sabi mo tayo restaurant. Ay, ito. Bahay pala ito. Sa kwarto tayo kumain.
Sa amin natutulog.
Ano to? After this one, matutulog na kami.
Dahil malapit na doon sa atin yung sulfur emerald. Sulfur bath tayo, malapit na doon sa atin.
Ay, sige. Try na.
Sulfur bath.
Baba, it's good for the skin.
They will, like Turkish
relax.
They will clean.
Ay, isang room doon day. Tagi isa-isa tayong room daw.
Oo, kasi huhubaran ka doon dahil.
Ah, may gagawa.
Siya yung mag-ano.
They'll scrub you?
Why you have like this?
It looks so
popper yung
good.
sinasabi mo.
Wow, mamaya ka na din kumain. Kain agad? Ano to? Ano to? Gutom na gutom? Gutom na gutom? Wala pa nga kaming kakainin dahil. Sige dahil, joke lang. Kumain ka na. Ito yung in-order niya dahil miss na yung UAE. Ito ay lamb kadai. This is chicken kadai.
I ordered also.
It's fine. Keep it here only. We will share.
Wow, it looks so good.
Roti.
What it's called? Sorry, Madanga?
Maganda, yes.
Bet kayo talaga.
Who's maganda?
May mga pawak-hawak pa siya.
Ikaw daw yung maganda. Ikaw daw yung maganda.
Hindi, ikaw yung sinasabihan niya.
Visit ka dahil.
Would you like to Coke, Sprite, or Fanta?
For them, I don't know. You want soft drinks?
No.
Hard drinks only.
That's okay.
This one is
Water is fine. We have water.
Only water?
Yes.
You don't want to drink
No, we don't drink soft drinks because soft drinks is not good for the health. Charot.
This is very nice.
nice.
So good.
This is chili.
Ang sarap.
Try this one.
Ang hang niya. Pero parang super anghang.
Huwag tayo, kasi nasa loob tayo ng ano. Hindi na matuhan eh.
Dahil alam ba namin, di ba umorder nga? Hindi ko lang.
Huwag na kayo mag-awa.
Let's eat.
Let's eat, mama. Let's eat food.
बहुत अच्छा.
Very good, very nice. Ay, naubos nila. Very good.
They started the business.
Ayan, ang sasarap ng food.
And what will be their visa?
It's good ay.
Once you're
Busog na
working here,
busog
you
ako.
can think there may be some family visa or something.
Medyo mahihiya ka lang sa una. Kasi
Because here not like UAE, you know, the company will give you visa and you'll work for that. No. Here you get your own
pala
visa.
to, family business.
Support your Filipino restaurant outside the country also.
Yes, we support.
Eat
Moral
your
support.
own food at least once a day.
No.
Once a day.
Whenever we're going out, we're not going to
Yes,
Filipino
yes.
restaurants. We will try different.
But you say that you eat at home, you cook the same food if you want to eat.
Yeah, this is the thing. So I mean, once we go to the restaurant, we know how to cook that food.
No, we need to make a brand. Na? We need to start this, support your Filipinos and everything. Then we can start restaurants. All over the country.
Even in
even good.
Dubai, or we're going to Dubai, we're not eating to Filipino restaurants.
Because we're there to explore their...
Because we can cook that food.
Yeah, this is the thing.
We're not there for like years. Just only for a couple of
Yes. Mag-sorry ka na. Mag-sorry ka.
Sorry.
Sorry na.
Sorry, you guys are not supportive to each other, guys. We need to support each other. When you see a Filipino shop, go there. Ask him how he is, how she is.
Yes, magkano tayo?
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
90. 190.
Too much. That makes me. Biryani, it's light.
19.
Bro, you like more sugar or more strong?
Too much. Medium.
Medium, huh?
Yes, please.
Medium sugar, huh? Okay.
This is the food scam we had.
Yeah.
In Georgia.
Why 4?
First was the
50 each. It's like 50 each.
Magkano ba dan yung nakita yung biryani?
30 lang.
yeah. That's too much now for the biryani. Lamb,
Okay, it's fine.
Chicken,
It's fine.
it's fine.
It's okay.
No, lamb chicken, it's fine.
No.
Biryani, it's too much. Man.
Because it's showing unlimited rice.
No, we didn't order.
Bakit ang lungkot?
Do you think you can pay?
Oh my God.
Push ka kasi ng push tayo.
Anong push na ka?
Is it worth?
Sa kanya.
Ba't nalungkot ka, girl?
Is he worth 190?
Yeah, because he was pushing it.
Paano kung pinush?
Natin na mamaya. Later.
Hoy, lahat naman tayo nag-decide na doon na sa baba, ah.
Saan ba ba?
Sa baba kumain.
Oo. Kasi...
Hindi, pero hindi dito.
Hindi,
O sa baba pa rin to.
Nasabing may yuhan sila daw, may business daw silang restaurant. Yun ang gumura na lang. Stress.
May mahal kasi pagrenta ng kwarto natin dito. Nagrenta tayo ng isang kwarto eh.
Oo. Additional yung kwarto. Kaya na mapamahal.
What?
Yes.
What you gonna say?
You're talking before.
What you gonna?
Yes.
What you gonna say?
What do you want?
With the that hurts.
No, the food is very nice. Not worth that.
For receipt.
Not for
should
the
be for
ano.
receipt.
Biryani is not worth 90 rupees. The chicken is good, very nice.
But why we did not ask for price first? No?
Good question.
Yun nga yung ano ko sa inyo kanina eh. Itanong muna kung
Hindi.
Nah, this is my first question whenever you offer something.
Ask the price. Same with me.
But this guy, no gay.
No, my fault also. I did not ask. Usually I'm asking, but
Ours. Me also.
yeah, usually we ask before.
Buti sumakto yung anda natin, day. Ano to? Ayan.
No, if it is unlimited, we'll take home.
Pag kinonvert mo, magkano yan? Convert ko nga. 4,000.
Peso?
4,000 pesos.
Hindi, 190 ano, gel.
Yes, I convert. Yan eh.
Buti naman, may cash tayo dahil.
Pag wala,
Ano? Pag wala, paano? Ay, may ATM na naman dito sa labas. Nakakagulat no eh.
nakita ko nga din, nasa ko may 1. Akala ko 90 lang. May 1. Akala ko slash. Tapos yun ko dito isa-isa.
Dahil may kasalanan na naman tayo, magbayad na lang tayo sa kanya tapos alisin na natin.
Ano may kasalanan?
Hindi tayo nagtanong. Bigla-bigla tayong...
Hindi, pero dapat reasonable naman yung presyo. Palagay mo ano?
Siyempre, pero may kasalanan nga rin tayo.
Kung
Hindi tayo nagtanong.
40-40 isa, di ba?
Kung nagtanong tayo ng maayos muna.
Tsaka hindi naman niya sinabi na ano, na bahay yun. Ang sinabi niya meron siyang ganun, di ba? Meron siyang restaurant. Restaurant ba yun? Ano ba natin?
Masarap naman yung food na.
Masarap nga, pero tinumumbak lang yun. Sarap tayo. Baka kung saan tayo dalhin yan, ha?
Lalo ko safe tayo kasi may kasama tayong ano. Galit na siya talaga. Sumisigaw na siya dahil. Bayaran na lang natin para umalis na yan. Ano saan tayo pupunta?
Dahil be vigilant, hindi tayo taga dito. Taga dito yan.
Persant! Where are we going? Saan tayo pupunta?
Kaya nga,
May mga...
if they want to do something, they'll do it there.
Dahil,
Ano bang kailangan, Day?
Hindi ko alam sa ano...
Sabihin mo kasi kung anong saan ba pupunta. Bakit kailangan pa pumunta doon?
Hindi ko
Speaking
alam
as to
dahil
Zen,
ba't ako.
Eh, kung ang kausap eh.
Sino ko kausap ko yung kaibigan
Yun
ko?
nga, yun nga kausap mo, di ba?
bayaran na lang natin tapos alis na tayo.
Yeah,
Mag-book
just
na lang tayo
speak
ng
with them.
Yandex.
How much is the money for everything? We'll pay
Yeah,
when
why
we
we need to go there?
No, yung kausap ko, he said we can go.
Oh.
Kalas. And then, we will speak with that one.
Oh.
Then I said the money, we will get it from our apartment together with the tour. Kalas. Now, once we go
We
out,
will get from our apartment.
Tata, kausap mo na lang. We can go after it. Okay, give money. When I come, tell Zane, give money, okay? Sabi ko, okay, just visit my place to get all the money, including our tour. Okay, okay. Now, I just surprised because as person to talk to the guy that as per Zane, he will talk to that family. He will give the money.
Oh,
Yeah, when I
Later.
spoke with him, he said
Now.
that Zen called him and told him to come. I don't know.
Okay. Did you call
Just tell the guy that we have something to do
the
also.
driver?
Yeah, it's fine, no problem. I'll see him. But
Come with him.
I don't know about Zen.
Mafi
Call him,
Zen.
na, call him directly. Na, give
Now.
Let me call him.
No, who told you to go with this guy?
This
To
guy,
come
he
with this
said
guy.
that Zen, he told him to do the payment now. For everything. No, we'll go to Zen. Out here, this is the business.
No, see.
Refer and you'll get the money. You know?
Nasaan na tayo dahil? It's okay. It's part of the journey. So after namin kumain, hindi na kami sumama sa driver kasi baka kung saan pa kami dalhin ni Kuya, no? Anyway, yung unang ramdam ko na mali sa tour na to was the itinerary. Parang si Kuyang driver ang nasunod kasi di na niya kami dinala sa Kazbegi, which is part of the plan talaga. Muntik pa niya lampasan yung Ananuri Fortress, which is sikat na sikat. Kung hindi ko pa sinabi kay Kuya na tumigil muna just to take pictures and videos. Tapos pati yung observation deck sa may reservoir, di niya rin kami binaba. So ang nangyari is from Tbilisi, diretso sa Godauri, tapos uwi. Ganon, ginawa ni Kuya driver, which is very wrong. Usually yung tour na to, naglalast siya ng 12 hours. But yung sa amin, 7 hours lang and mas mahal pa binayad namin kasi private tour kami. Anyway, about dun sa food naman, usually naman talaga the rule of thumb is to ask the price before eating or taking anything. So partly may kasalanan din kami. Sa food wala akong complaint kasi sobrang sarap naman talaga. But I think the price is not reasonable. Isang biryani usually 12 to 20 dirham sa UAE, which is katumbas ng 200 to 300 pesos. And I know na alam yun ni Kuya Driver kasi sabi niya sa amin, nagtrabaho naman siya sa UAE before. Anyway, we paid at the end of it. And sana hindi mangyari to sa inyo if ever dadalaw kayo sa Georgia. Before anything else, before I leave this video, just hit the like button and subscribe na rin kayo para dumami pa yung subscribers ko. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.